Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today I'm just kind of gonna be doing like a update video, I guess, because I haven't done one in a few videos, and I got some new stuff done to the car that you guys have not seen yet. So let's get right into it. So first thing that we have done is we tinted the fog lights and turn signal thing. Just some nice tint on there to make it look better. Kind of black everything out. We got new wheels, which is probably the main thing. The RTR Tech 7s. They're 20 by 9.5 in the front with 255 tires, and then in the rear they are 20-inch by 10.5, I think, 10.5, and then 305s. So yeah, these are the ones I originally wanted. I'm going to sell the other ones, the SVE ones that I had. And I think these look a lot better, especially once it's lowered. Obviously, since they're 20s instead of the 19s, they fill the fenders better. But yeah, once it's lowered, it'll look even better. So I think these look really sick. I like these a lot better than the other ones, even though I still do like the other ones. But yeah, these ones just look much better. Then we did fog light tint right here. And then we did black Corsa tips instead of the chrome ones that I had. These look a lot better and match everything a lot better. And then I don't know if you can see down here, we did the rear valence marker lights. And currently, as of right now, there are holes in my spoiler, as you can see, and crap everywhere. I was trying to put on, I got a liquid vinyl wicker bill extension for the PP1 wing, and I had the wrong tool, so I had to order a new tool, which should be here soon, so we can get that finished and show you guys that. So yeah, that's on hold right now. But yeah, that's basically everything that I've done. I also did the put carbon fiber piece right here, the one I showed you guys a few videos ago. I don't know why it's okay there. So yeah, that looks pretty sick. That looks sweet. I like that. So yeah, those are just some of the updates, some of the things that have been done, and yeah, we are getting the wicker bill on. Right now we are taking the bumper off because we are putting the Cervini's lower C style grill or something like that it's called, so it should allow for a ton more airflow in there. So it should be pretty sick, and most importantly, it should look a lot better. And then we're putting the liquid vinyl front splitter on / belly pan, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that should look pretty sick as well. Then also soon we are going to be getting the liquid vinyl side skirt extensions for right here. And actually some cool news, I will soon be sponsored by Liquid Vinyl. They're going to be my first sponsor, so that should be pretty sick. I'm really excited. I love their brand and all the products they put out, and just their company in general. So that's some exciting news. Should be pretty sick. Can't wait to start working with them. And obviously the car is going to look amazing when all this stuff's done. So I'm not going to bore you guys with install because it takes too long. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little update video. Weather's crappy right now, so you're not going to get any pop drives for a little bit. But should be a few weeks, and the car season should be getting ready to start up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.